Let's head to, well, we're going to be in Orlando here. Let's talk to John. He's got an 18 Nissan Frontier. He's been holding a long time. Thank you for hanging on, John. Tell me what's going on with this vehicle.
Well, when I fill it up, I got a popping sound. You know, you put your finger in your mouth and pop your cheek. That's the exact sound I got coming from the gas. You know, where you put the gas in at.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on with that.
Now, do you hear any pressure or anything when you take the cap off?
No pressure at all. Just, you know, it's not the gargling, it's the popping sound.
Now, whenever you're filling it, does it take the fuel quickly, or do you have to reduce the flow to keep it from kicking the pump off?
Nope, full blast.
And you don't have any check engine lights on or anything like that?
No.
You know...
No, I got to look and see. It doesn't do it. I think it's just when I fill it. But
yeah.
I mean, I've been running it for 2 days now, and it's still doing it.
You hear the popping sound even when you're not filling it?
No, it's after I fill it. And not while I'm filling it. It's after I fill it and then run it. And then yeah.
So after you fill the vehicle up, you put the gas cap on, or is that a non-cap system?
What's that?
Do you have to remove a gas cap, or is that a non?
Yes.
Okay.
No, you have to remove that gas cap.
Okay. And then when you're driving it, you're actually hearing the popping noise?
No.
It's after you get out of the vehicle and exit it, you hear the popping noise?
Well, I roll down the window because me and my wife switch their cars around, so when I get out, I can hear it because I leave my truck running.
Okay. And you think it's coming from the gas tank?
Yeah.
Well, I guess, see, your fuel tank, well, you say you don't ever hear any pressure coming out of it, so I can't imagine it actually alleviating excessive pressure in the tank. John, this is with the vehicle off, correct?
When I turn it off, it stops.
When you turn the engine off, it stops?
Yes.
You know what? I don't know what to say in this particular instance, and that's a rarity for me. But let me tell you what I would do. I think, well, you're in Orlando. Why don't you bring it by the shop one day and just give JD a call and find out when we've got the alignment rack open. And let's take and put that car up on the alignment rack, raise it up in the air, shut it off, and let's stand underneath the vehicle and listen for this sound.
Okay.
How's that sound? Because, I don't know whether it's something in the exhaust system or something around the gas tank or exactly what it is. But like I said, I don't know of really how else to address this, John. I really honestly don't.
I know, I never heard it before. I've never heard that.
Yeah, something like that. I'm just, there's so many things going through my head right now. Does it have rear AC on it?
No.
Okay. Yeah, see, that's something else that could cause an issue. But that, that's excluding that. And I can't think of anything in the fuel system that would actually create a popping noise like that. But you would be surprised, John. Sometimes an exhaust system can make some of the darndest noises ever was as soon as they start changing temperature. I don't know why. I'm not a metallurgist, but it's just sometimes sometimes when they start changing temperature and start cooling down a little bit or whatever, they can make some of the pinging, popping type of noises. You got to remember, you got a catalytic converter that's underneath the vehicle, more than one on that car, and we're talking about parts that are getting up to 900 degrees in some cases. So when they start cooling off, they can make some crazy noises. Now on this Frontier, you got the 3.5 motor in it?
No, it's the 4.3 or 4.6.
Okay, all right. Now, just checking. There was a couple things there that I was going to point out to you if you had the 3.5 in it. But when you get a chance, let's just give the shop a call. Find out one day, maybe in the afternoon, we're not covered up with oil changes or whatever, and find out when you could just swing it by and you wait on it. We'll pull up on the alignment rack, raise it up, shut it off after it's good and hot, and we'll just stand underneath there and listen to see what the heck's going on with it. John, I appreciate your call, especially holding on as long as you did. I hope I give you a little help or guidance there, but we'll try to locate that popping noise and at least find out what it is, because sure as the world, we're going to have somebody else call us with the same identical issue. You have a great weekend.